Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to change Discord profile picture. The process for changing your avatar via the Discord mobile app is similar, but the process is the same on iPhone, just with a different look. You can remove your avatar altogether if you don't want one. Open the app on Android. Tap your profile image on the bottom right. Tap my account. Then select the image or image placeholder. And tap remove icon to delete your profile image or your avatar. If this is the first time you've uploaded a profile picture, Discord will ask you for two permissions to access your camera and photos and videos. Tap Allow or while using the app on at least one of these options to proceed. Then, select an image app. Choose an image and tap Upload. You can crop and zoom if you need to, but you have to do it before selecting the Upload button. There's a crop button that shows up after you choose the image. And click the check mark at the top right when you're satisfied if you crop your image. And if you're happy, then press save to save the changes. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.